Hey guys, Calvin here. I just want to do a quick video update on some of the trades that I did this morning. I traded Apple and the SPY. Let's go over Apple first, guys. Beautiful reversal day, guys, on Apple. I just have to marvel at this stuff, guys. Nice little pre-running run into earnings, right into resistance. So we have to watch. But if you got it on this move, guys, congratulations. Nice bullish engulfing candle. Hit my master level of this red line, guys. As you guys recall my old videos, guys, I always have these red lines ahead of time, so you guys can go back. And these red lines have been always here. Nice bounce so far, right almost into a gap fill. I think we went into a gap window on the daily chart. Now, I always time intraday, guys, as you know. So what did I see intraday, guys? What on this chart told me intraday that signified, that gave me clues that this was going to be a short-term bottom? And if you guys called out this candle, you guys are correct. Broke out of this little descending trend line. Broke out of that. Usually, guys, when we do that, we're going to either reverse or go sideways. So that was a nice indication right there as well. We made a nice base here, nice bullish consolidation base here, holding up very nicely. I got in right around here, guys. Broke out higher, made a nice base throughout the afternoon, and just advanced higher for the rest of the day. Just a beautiful profit on Apple. Now, what trade did I do? I actually sold the 535 naked put. Just one contract. I mean, safe, because I don't want to get too early on earnings. So I was a little safe. I sold one contract at, I sold it for $1.34. I'm really bitter on this, guys, because I actually put a limit order at $1.78. Then I changed that. I was greedy. I chased it higher. I wanted to get more money, so I put a limit order for $1.83. Never got filled at that level, and since then it just crashed down. Now I was chasing it down. I put a limit for $1.59. Did not get filled, and finally I was like, you know what, screw it, this thing's going higher, and I got filled for $1.34, which still a good trade, still a nice profit. I mean, it's trading at 45 cents at the moment, so nice profit, pocket over 50% of profit so far in that trade. So beautiful, guys. You guys know how to read charts, guys. You guys can profit in any kind of environment, any chart, stock, commodity, anything you could put a chart to. Okay, let's go to the SPY. That was the other trade I did today. Also, guys, the max downside target for me for this week, even with earnings, based on what I see on the pattern, is roughly 570. But once again, guys, it is earnings, so it's kind of a wild card. Who knows what may happen, what they will report. So that's why I'm playing it safe, guys. I sold the 535, way out of the money, and already in profits beautifully. Okay, let's go over to SPY, guys. Let's go to the daily chart. Daily chart, guys. On the SPY is very intriguing. We actually closed with a spinning top candle on the SPY, the SPX, and the Dow Jones Industrial 30. We closed with doji candles. So, guys, you have to look for this, guys. Also, a time count. We're still trading within this parallel lines, the red ones, and also right at the yellow trend line here. So, guys, many supports right here, guys. Also have a gap window here on the daily chart, gap fill, and this is my master level, guys, which I've been calling out in my previous videos, is the 140 level on the SPY. If this does break down, guys, on this current channels, if they break down, the target is the 150-day moving average and the 200. And if we hit there, I will be doing some more trades. Right now, maybe a little bit premature, but I am doing trades already. But I noticed we did hit support. We have a time count, a spinning top. As I said, guys, we have a doji candle on some of the other indexes. We hit some of these major pivots here. And also, guys, a key factor to keep note is that we never confirmed below the 50-day moving average. A lot of traders might think this is a breakdown. Oh, we closed at the 50, but we never actually confirmed. So this actually has some potential to get a little bit of bounce here. Not much. I'm not looking for a huge bounce, but maybe as long as it pauses here, that will be good enough for me for my trade to work out. And the trade I did was the 136 naked put. So this actually is a naked put strategy, which I don't recommend, but I do plan on turning this into a bull put spread with either the 130 or the 131. This is a more of advanced strategy, guys, where you enter one of the positions first for the spread, and then you will buy the lower price put later on when it becomes cheaper. So that's what I plan to do, guys. That should come to fruition before Thursday, because I do plan on playing Apple's earnings. So I plan all my trades around Apple's earnings this week. So once these become lower in price, maybe 1 penny at the ask, I will cover and turn this into a bull put spread. That way I will replenish a lot of my buying power, and I could do some more trades for Apple and perhaps Amazon. So right now, guys, These trades are looking good. Let's look intraday, guys, and why I entered this trade intraday, guys. And I always say there's a reason why to enter intraday. And I'm going to ask you guys, what on this chart did I see that signaled a low for the day? You guys give up? Okay, it's right here. It's this hammer candle right here. This bottoming tail, whatever you want to call it, on increased volume off this sell-off. And we hit my major support lines right here. We made a nice little base here after this up move. I got it right here, guys, based off a time count. Beautiful. You got to learn these time count, guys. Beautiful. Another up bar, more inside bars. Notice how, guys, we never closed below my reference point, which was this red line. I drew this in, guys. We never closed below it. Pierced it, never closed below. And look at on the next candle, based off a time count again, guys. Beautiful up move into the close. Just absolutely fantastic. I really marvel at this stuff every day, guys. It's really a blessing to just learn how to read these charts, and you can just profit for life, guys. It's just amazing, guys. So I am sitting very pretty so far, guys, for the week. Beautiful profits in the pockets, a lot of green on my account, as you can see. And guys, I mean, there's nothing to hide here, guys. You see my fills for the last few days. These are all my trades. You guys go back to my videos. All my orders are here, guys. I'm very transparent, guys. My last trade was the Amazon 15 spread. I did 15 of Apple. I go back really far, guys. Everything is documented, guys. Everything is transparent, guys. Every trade that I do is listed. These are my orders, guys, as you can see. So far, so good. Looking pretty good. I'm waiting for Apple's earnings this Thursday. That's what I'm really waiting for. Let's look at Amazon really quick. I think I have a little bit of time. I'm on the road, guys, so I'm going to try and make this nice and sweet, short and sweet. We are actually at my trend line right here on Amazon. We didn't quite hit the symmetrical move target off this pattern. My target is actually the 150-day, which is around 225. If we do hit this spot over here, I will be looking to trade Amazon's earnings, maybe below 200, well below $200. I think we'll be safe. But this is a perfect bearish pattern, guys, to go short. I mean, you guys have to learn this stuff. If you don't see a bearish pattern here, guys, you guys really have to learn how to read this chart. This is a picture-perfect setup to go short, in my opinion. You have a bearish pattern into a necktie, into a death cross. That is a beautiful setup. Now we're getting a 3-day down move, which into support. So actually, guys, there's support here, guys. In this general vicinity, there is support all the way down to here. So anything below 200. I think will be fine. If there was no earnings, I think at the 200-day would be no-brainer. But it is earnings this week on Amazon, so it is a little bit tricky. But that's what I'm looking for, guys, this week. I'm looking to trade Amazon, Apple, and perhaps turn. And of course, I have to turn the SPY trade into a bull put spread. So I'll update you guys later in the week, guys. A beautiful trading day, and hopefully everything will turn out beautifully. Apple is already up after hours, so maybe a little more upside on Apple. I am expecting a 2 to 3 day pause to slightly up days in the next coming days. So look out for that, guys. I think we're due for some sideways to upside action in the next 2 to 3 days. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great one. I know I am.